Hyundai revealed the all-new 2024 Santa Fe to North American media at 2023 AutoMobility LA with an "Open for More" development concept centered around its new, wider liftgate opening and spacious interior. Santa Fe's wide liftgate seamlessly connects its interior with the outside environment, expanding passengers' everyday experiences. The liftgate area, once exclusively a storage space, now expands its use to a terrace-like function to effortlessly enjoy the outdoor environment surrounding the vehicle. The 2024 Santa Fe 2.5T model goes on sale in March 2024, with the hybrid model on sale in spring. Santa Fe's front view creates a bold impression with an elevated, level hood line, H-shaped headlamp signature and precision-detailed fenders. Together, the H-shaped headlamps and lower front valance draw inspiration from a new flat-profile Hyundai logo, conveying a bold, distinctive image. The new, longer wheelbase adds sophistication, with clean side sculpting complemented by a flatter roofline, generous fender volumes, robust wheel arches, shorter front overhang and available 21-inch alloy wheels. From the rear, the wider liftgate opening conveys stability while leveraging simpler, sculptural surfacing details. H-shaped tail lamps, like the headlamps, harmonize and complement the front view for a clean, attractive lighting signature from all angles. The new, wide liftgate design is nearly 6 inches wider than the previous generation Santa Fe. In North America, Santa Fe is available in 11 exterior colors, including Phantom Black, Serenity White Pearl, Shimmering Silver Metallic, Ecotronic Gray Pearl, Ecotronic Gray Matte, Ultimate Red Metallic, Earthy Brass Matte, Hampton Gray, Terracotta Orange, and Rockwood Green Pearl. Santa Fe's all-new interior complements the exterior themes by emphasizing horizontal and vertical design elements matching the exterior design language. An H-shaped design motif is further applied to the upper instrument panel and air vents, enhancing a sense of openness and cohesive design balance. The new interior design also benefits from available convenience features, such as a new UVC sterilization compartment and a dual, wireless charging system, 15W, for smartphones for a sophisticated user experience. Santa Fe's first-in-class panoramic curved display, which encompasses the 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and infotainment system, enhances driving visibility while adding a premium ambience. Santa Fe is available in 4 interior colors, including Obsidian Black, Supersonic Gray, Pecan Brown, and Forest Green. The all-new Hyundai Santa Fe provides impressive cargo capacity, a benefit for both urban lifestyles and outdoor adventures, with plenty of room for everything from sports equipment to camping gear to travel luggage. Roof storage access is further enhanced by a self-concealing grab handle within the exterior C-pillar, eliminating interruptions to flush exterior surfacing. Santa Fe prioritized living space by increasing second and third-row legroom. The SUV offers best-in-class third-row legroom and improved rear headroom. The Santa Fe 2.5T second-row legroom length has increased by 1.4 inches, and the hybrid model second-row legroom length has increased by 0.8 inches. To enhance the user experience, the all-new Santa Fe is packed with premium comfort and convenience features. The available first-row relaxation comfort seat with leg rest allows occupants to relax in a comfortable position that helps simulate a weightless experience for its occupants. In the 6-passenger Santa Fe, available second-row power reclining captain's chairs provide extra comfort for rear passengers. Second-row power fold-and-dive seats also add a cushion angle adjustment, a world's first for a second-row fold-and-dive seat. Santa Fe also offers a world's first bilateral, multi-console storage space that can be opened by either front or rear passengers. Santa Fe offers convenience features such as an available dual, wireless charging system for smartphones. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard. A powerful USB-C terminal with a maximum charging rate of 27 watts and a third-row USB port are also available. In addition, a UVC sterilization compartment is available for the top of the Santa Fe's glove compartment, providing ultraviolet light-based sterilization of frequently used items, such as cell phones, wallets, glasses, and similarly sized items. A Bose 12-speaker premium sound system is also available. Available features such as forward collision-avoidance assist can help provide a warning and emergency braking if the preceding vehicle suddenly slows or if risk of a forward collision is detected. Lane following assist employs a windshield-mounted camera to help the vehicle maintain its position in the center of its lane. The driver attention warning (DAW) system analyzes driving inputs and can help provide warnings to alert the driver of low driving attentiveness. Further, forward attention warning (FAW), a Hyundai first in North America, utilizes an infrared camera mounted on the steering column to help track a driver's eye gaze and monitor attention levels to help ensure safe driving. 2024 Santa Fe is available with two powerful and efficient powertrain options. The standard powertrain is a 2.5-liter direct-injected, turbocharged engine, Theta 3 engine family, mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with an estimated output of 277 horsepower at 5,800 rpm and estimated torque of 311 pound-ft at 1,700 to 4,000 rpm. For eco-focused buyers, a 1.6-liter direct-injected, turbocharged hybrid, Gamma 3 engine family, linked with a 6-speed automatic transmission provides an estimated combined engine and motor output of 232 horsepower and estimated torque of 271 pound-ft. The new XRT, making its global debut, is an outdoor-focused sport model tailored to the diverse needs of enthusiasts. It is designed to handle adverse terrain with confidence and ease, offering versatile utility for various outdoor activities. Complementing the Santa Fe calligraphy trim for premium urban lifestyles, the XRT is designed to satisfy adventure-oriented enthusiasts with confident capabilities. This latest generation XRT model adds dark chrome and black trim elements and cladding throughout the exterior, including black roof rails with crossbars, for a rugged, ready-for-adventure appearance. It also adds a 30-inch all-terrain tire fitment, with two 45/60R18 tires. This XRT boasts nearly 1.5 inches of additional ground clearance and when properly equipped with the towing package, is rated at 4,500 pounds of towing capacity.